Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 5-gallon laundry detergent is probably one of the most economical and effective ways to clean your clothes, but with so many options available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect 5-gallon laundry detergent, considering factors like cleaning power, scent, fabric safety, and overall value for your money, to help you make an informed decision and achieve sparkling clean laundry every time. Number 5. Purex Mountain Breeze Detergent. This powerful detergent tackles even the toughest dirt and stains, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. Its deep cleaning formula keeps whites bright and colors vibrant. It penetrates deep into fabric fibers, lifting away ground-in dirt and grime. Experience the difference a truly effective detergent can make. Say goodbye to stubborn stains. This detergent's advanced formula keeps your white sparkling and your colors looking their best, wash after wash. It's ideal for all your daily laundry needs, making it easy to keep your clothes looking their best. It's tough on dirt but gentle on fabrics. Enjoy the invigorating scent of Mountain Breeze with every load. It leaves your clothes smelling fresh and clean all day long. This 5-gallon pail provides 480 loads, offering exceptional value and convenience for your laundry needs. It's the perfect solution for large families or busy households. What we like. This detergent penetrates deep into fabrics, removing stubborn dirt and stains, keeping your whites bright and colors vibrant. Its invigorating scent leaves your laundry smelling fresh. If you need a powerful cleaner that leaves clothes smelling great, this is the one for you. What people say. Cuts back on wasted plastic, and when the bucket is empty I can use it for something else. We saved money by buying bulk and we are very pleased with the quality of the soap. Good smell as well. The fact that I can get this and it lasts for around a year or longer is great for me. Number 4. Arm & Hammer He Liquid Detergent. This detergent is tough on dirt but gentle on fabrics. Its low sudsing formula is perfect for both standard and high-efficiency washing machines. It's specially designed to work effectively in all washing machines without excessive suds. This means cleaner clothes and less wasted detergent. The baking soda helps to naturally deodorize and brighten your clothes, leaving them fresh and clean. It's a powerful cleaning agent. It contains special agents that effectively trap and remove dirt and grime, leaving your clothes sparkling. It gets clothes truly clean. It's designed for use in both standard and high-efficiency washing machines. You can use it with confidence, no matter your machine. It's perfume and dye-free, making it a great choice for sensitive skin and those with allergies. It's gentle on your clothes and your skin. This large jug provides a cost-effective and convenient way to keep your laundry clean. It's perfect for large families or frequent laundry days. What we like. It's a low sudsing formula, perfect for both standard and high-efficiency washing machines. The baking soda helps to naturally deodorize and brighten clothes. If you prefer a fragrance-free and gentle option, this is the best choice for you. What people say. I took a flathead screwdriver with a hammer and used them to punch out the hole for a dispenser pump. I simply went around the edges of the hole and slowly punched through until I only had a little bit of the plastic still hanging onto the cap hanging from the hole still attached. Then I bent the attached plastic until it was sitting inside the hole out of the way. Simply insert a pump and you have easy access. It looks like the cap that comes with this new container is designed to accept a 3/4 spigot. It seems like you're meant to lay the detergent on its side so that gravity pushes the detergent out of the spigot rather than pumping it out. I bought this detergent and the Lexan heavy-duty 1-ounce dispenser pump for 5-gallon buckets pails $38,415. The dispenser pump will fit with some modifications. I had to drill the lid with a 1/1/8 paddle bit and take my utility knife to cut off the extra plastic. Number 3. Ultra Fresh 5 Gallons Laundry Detergent. It delivers a deep clean, removing tough stains and leaving your clothes sparkling. Experience the ultimate in laundry cleanliness with its 6x cleaning power. This detergent is infused with a refreshing original blue scent and powerful odor eliminators. Enjoy clothes that smell amazing, wash after wash. One 5-gallon bucket provides up to 640 loads. It's highly concentrated, offering incredible value and convenience for your laundry needs. It's designed for modern life. This detergent is HE certified, so it works in all washing machines and is safe for septic systems. With its easy-to-use pump, dispensing this detergent is a breeze. Make laundry days simpler and more efficient. What we like. This detergent boasts an unrivaled 6x cleaning power and a long-lasting fresh scent. Plus, one 5-gallon jug provides up to 640 loads. If you're looking for exceptional value and powerful cleaning, this is the option for you. What people say. This is the second time I've been highly impressed, as one cycle through the wash removed stains I originally anticipated had ruined shirts. Rewash the shirts with an extra squirt of this detergent and completely removed. Wash 12 hours later with a squirt and a pre-treat of this stuff and can't tell which of two shirts is the one that got grease on it. With bucket near washer and a pump, I just hold the end of the pump hose over the washer and pump a squirt into washer. Easy. Number 2. Ultra Fresh 6X Platinum Laundry Detergent. It delivers a deep clean, removing tough stains and leaving your clothes looking their best. Experience the ultimate in laundry cleanliness with its 6X cleaning power. This detergent is infused with a refreshing mountain scent and powerful odor eliminators. Enjoy clothes that smell wonderfully fresh, wash after wash. One 5-gallon container provides an incredible 640 loads. It's highly concentrated, offering exceptional value and convenience for your laundry needs. It's designed for modern life and is certified, meaning it works perfectly in all washing machines and is septic safe. Enjoy worry-free cleaning. The easy-to-use pump makes dispensing a breeze. Say goodbye to messy pores and hello to convenient laundry days. With its powerful cleaning, lasting freshness, and convenient features, it's the ultimate laundry solution. Upgrade your laundry routine today. What we like. It offers 6x cleaning power and a refreshing mountain fresh scent that will leave your clothes smelling amazing. You also get up to 640 loads from a single container. If you want a powerful clean and a pleasant scent, this is the one for you. What people say. Clothes really good, cleaned, convenient with the pump. It smells good and that smell lingers in your fresh clothes. There's so much of it that it will last me probably over a year doing a load every day. I am surprised the gamble paid off. I really can't tell the difference between my love for Tide and this newfound detergent. So I think it's a win-win. I get the same results for much less. Number 1. Ultra Fresh Platinum Fabric Softener. Experience the ultimate softness. It leaves your clothes luxuriously soft and comfortable all day long. Enjoy a delightful fragrance that lasts. It's dye-free and fragrance-free on the fabric, for a fresh scent that endures. This is a 5-gallon container that provides up to 640 loads. That's a lot of softness and freshness. It works in both standard and high-efficiency washing machines. Everyone can enjoy the benefits. It's safe for your septic system. Use it as directed to protect your clothes and your septic system. Get ready for incredibly soft and fresh clothes. It's the perfect solution for long-lasting comfort and freshness. What we like. This fabric softener leaves your clothes incredibly soft without any added fragrance or dyes. It's also highly concentrated, providing up to 640 loads. If you value softness and prefer unscented products, this is perfect for you. What people say. It was shipped by UPS and they use the doorbell. It is perfect for what I need and it come with the pump and smells nice. It does the job. Fast delivery. The smell was good. The value is great. This should last me for a while. The pump is great, easy to install. I purchased this fabric softener with the hope of reducing costs, given the volume I use for my bedding and towels. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.